What? I need to get back asleep. Can you tell me about a time when I was little with Sean?
When you were little with Sean, I would build railroad tracks and we'd watch trains till you fell asleep.
Oh, I remember that. That was so much fun. I would fall asleep while watching it. Oh, I think I can go back to sleep. I hope I dream of the old trains I used to have and play with Sean. Yeah.
Bunnel has decided to take a nap. I hope she's dreaming of those glorious trains that she used to play with.
I'm already dreaming